first time I make new videos with different space. So I am in a beach now, as you can see, and I'm alone to go here because I have a bad news. I lost my pet, so as you know, I have a hamster before, and then like in 2024, and now 2026, he died. His name is Beno. So yesterday, I thought I wanna bury my pet in nearby my dorm house, but I don't know. I don't wanna everyone see I'm cry or I have surrounding with a bad vibes. So I decide to bury my pet in here. Not I wanna cry right now, but no. Luckily, this place entertained me, so I'm not really safe anymore. And before I make a decide to go here, it's because I wanna breathe my pet in beautiful place. So that's why I birth he in here. So and then what I learned from what happened to me is everything you have is not forever with you. So you must learn how to let it be, let it go. You must learn because what you wear, what you have, what you see, it's already less with